If you're thinking about buying this exhaust for your Civic, there's a couple things that I want to bring to your guys' attention. First being, this is obviously a very loud exhaust, which is a double-edged sword. On one end, it's awesome because it sounds really good. It sounds really good once you get into VTEC. On the other hand, it's very loud and very drony if you don't have the silencer in it. In the cruising RPMs between, 1,000 and I'd say 4,500 RPMs, it drones a lot. It's not as bad as some of the exhausts out there on the market, but this is technically the race exhaust, so it is very loud. From my experience, I drive an hour to work every day, and it only took me one day to put the silencer in on this exhaust before I wanted to just wear earplugs on my way to work. It was pretty miserable. The silencer makes a huge difference. It doesn't really take away the tone that much. It just quiets it down, obviously, but it's a huge difference. There's still a good amount of sound to the exhaust, but it just takes away a lot of that drone, and it doesn't like reverberate through the cabin as bad as it does without the silencer on it. Now, all of that being said, I think this is an excellent sounding exhaust. Once you hit the VTEC crossover, it just really sings and it sounds incredible. Now, in terms of, is buying this exhaust worth it for you? That all depends on your situation. This exhaust retails at about $650, which is fairly expensive in terms of Civic parts. For other performance cars, that's a fairly decent, not even that expensive for some exhaust pieces. It really depends on your situation. If you're in my situation where you have a commute to work every morning and every day, I don't know if I can recommend this exhaust to you unless you put the silencer in. If you put the silencer in, then it makes it very bearable. But that kind of defeats the purpose of this exhaust. Online on their website, it says that this is designed for a highly modified, naturally aspirated K20 or a turbo application. This exhaust is designed to go up to the Skunk2 Alpha header. Now, if your Civic has a good amount of modifications to it, you already have a different header, you have a Honda tuner, you're looking for power, absolutely, I would recommend this exhaust 100%. It'll clear up the system, you'll have a lot more airflow, and it sounds really, really good. I think this is probably one of the best sounding exhausts for this car on the market right now. The Full Race is another really good one. That's about the same price. Honestly, if you were in my position, I would recommend the Full Race over this Skunk2 Megapower, but I do think, just from videos and in-person experience, I do think the Skunk2 sounds better than the Full Race. But the Full Race is a lot easier to live with. So I hope this was really helpful for you guys. In conclusion, I just want to say, if I were to buy this exhaust again at full retail price, I don't know if I would, for my personal situation. I got this off Facebook Marketplace for a huge discount, so I think it's worth it for me. But if you drive around town every now and, or if you just drive around town with your Civic, you're not on the freeway very much, you're not doing highway speeds a ton, I would absolutely recommend this. If you are on the freeway a lot and you're on the highway making lots of miles, I would recommend it if you use the silencer. That's the only caveat. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do plan on getting this exhaust for your Civic, I don't think you'll be disappointed, but just be prepared for drone. So, thanks again. I'll see you guys in the next video.